Alright guys, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but it's like maybe 11:30 at night, and I was just woken up by something, some creature knocked Andrea's bike over. Must be like a big fat raccoon or something, but totally got in one of her panniers and was trying to get to her peanut butter. Totally took a whole package of tortillas and cheese, knocked the bike over, and had drugged like a whole pannier and hygiene bag or whatever. I guess maybe like 3 to 5 yards or something like that. It was ridiculous. So I'm kind of freaked out because I'm totally a little baby when it comes to this kind of stuff. But anyway, we shoot it out. We got all of the food, whatever we remotely thinks might smell, out of there, put it in like a waterproof dry bag. Hopefully that holds the scent of whatever. If not, I don't know. We took it way up and put it up by the hiker biker sign. So we'll see if it's there in the morning. All right, looks like the infamous food bag is untouched. All right, folks, it's about 4:55 in the morning. We're packing up, trying to get everything ready in camp, trying to beat the storm, and just determined that Andrea's trail name is Little Miss Jiff. Yeah, she earned this one. Yeah, it's been a super eventful night. I mean, from raccoons and possums getting into camp, and just not being able to sleep very well, lots of heat, lightning, and this morning lightning and thunder. Got up pretty early, broke down camp, and we're getting ready to roll here. Just want to be safe enough to see. Yeah, we're just going to take it slow and just try to hit shelter points along the way until we limp on into DC. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.
The Gap in CNO 2020.
Woo, woo, woo! Yeah, Andy!
Tawanda!
Woo! Last day adventure, man, I tell you.
Tawanda!
Tawanda! It is the final day of our Gap Trail plus CNO adventure. This is day 7 of the trip and day 4 of the CNO trail. So as you saw last night, we had raccoons and possums in the camp. We had lightning and rain and not a whole lot of sleep. This morning we broke camp down at dark so that we could ride at first daylight. Good decision. Glad we made it out here. And then as you see behind me, we have a bridge down just around Lock 24. So beautiful scenery, but yeah, it's been an interesting morning. This is actually, I think, the roughest part of the CNO trail. We've gone through quite the puddles and divots, and mosquitoes were icky this morning. But, it still turned out to be pretty beautiful. I can't say enough about that kind of view right there. At any rate, we're pushing on to DC, like I said, mile 24. So 24 miles to go. We'll see you in a bit. of bittersweet right now. Just past mile marker 5 on the C&O Canal last day. 5 more miles to DC. Yeah, it has been a truly wonderful adventure, and the trail has absolutely been amazing. Nancy kind of said it best when she called this trail Beauty and the Beast. So gorgeous, absolutely beautiful, but man, it's pretty tough at times. So excited to be wrapping up and getting home and seeing my lovely family, my daughters, my husband, my pups, my cat, my chickens, and yeah, it's just been a wonderful ride. I'm blessed, and I thank God for this opportunity to be here, for making it possible. That's truly my possible, guys. And I look forward to sharing the next adventure with you. Until then, believe, inspire, and achieve. Nancy, we're wrapping it up, pulling in maybe about a mile from our official mile 0. Pretty darn epic. All right, hey guys, made it to DC. So this journey has been epic. Starting in Pittsburgh 7 days ago, and here we are. This has been a phenomenal trip. Just really can't say enough about the history and the people, the scenery, the trail. Everything has been just perfect. And to wrap it up today, we got a little bit of rain, crazy adventure at night, and made it all worthwhile. So that's it. That's the end of the Gap and C&O Trail. Signing off here. Can't wait to bring y'all along for the next adventure. Peace.
Sunshine, you are my sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Oh, please don't take my sunshine away.